Okay, so here I'm showing you the mixed media that I use between white gesso and stencils to acrylic paint I think I used on here to just using and the circular stamps are from my stash for town. And sorry, I got a cough. Oh, I suppose I should probably keep saying it. It gets better, except for at night. I'm sleeping. Anyway, my sister took the kids to this parade, and I'm not sure if it was like July 4th or what kind of. I want to say it was a July 4th parade. Yeah, I'm doing audio. Why? How are you on Cartoon Network?
No, it's not. I'm not on Cartoon Network.
It says Cartoon Network.
I'm in Showbox, but it's the same Cartoon.
What show are you watching?
Pokemon in
Oh,
Showbox.
oh, Pokemon's on Cartoon Network. Okay, I don't know. Interesting. Because you can get Cartoon Network on the streaming systems. You just have to subscribe to it. Yeah. All right. So here I'm layering some more strips, and that scallop border is made using the scallop border by American Crafts. It's the knockout punch.
Are you gonna make a extra Pikachu sound?
Yes, I'll make a Pikachu and then the other dinosaur-looking creature. Okay. I'll do it tomorrow after I make breakfast, okay? Oh yeah, I found that scissors. You had it in here, in this pencil box. Yeah, I know, it's right here. There's glue sticks in there too. Sorry. So, now that ticket, those tickets are, I want to say they were in a kit, and they were a whole bunch of them, and it was by Project Life, I think, or maybe it was Dear Lizzie. Oh, I like this. Uh-huh. Well, we'll see. I want to play bowling. All right, and that's some more of those tickets. He's trying to sleep. That unicorn sticker is from Maggie Holmes' Carousel. Why do you have the movie going if you're not watching it? And that is using the knockout punch, border punch as well. And oh, excuse me, I'm tired. These doilies are from a very old Scraptastic kit. I was a member of the Scraptastic kit. That was my first kit was Club Scrap. Then that was really themed. So it was hard to scrapbook with that, so I canceled it. And then I decided to get Scraptastic kit. And now they changed it, so because I canceled it when I got divorced and I couldn't afford it. And then I got on my feet and was able to subscribe to a kit. And Scraptastic kit don't even have the same kits that they used to. They do it differently, which is kind of I turn my nose up at it because I wasn't in it. The way they did it was weird. It wasn't like kits like Hip Kit. It was different. And so I decided to try Hip Kit. And I've been a member of them for a year. But anyway, back to this. That heart leather sticker is Freckle Fawn as well as the flare. The chipboard stickers are carousel. That sticker is carousel. And I have a yellow sticker, which is by the photo. And that is Vicky Boutin from a past kit. And then I'm going to use Oh Fun from the thickers that came in the kit. They're phrase stickers. And it's going to be titled So Fun. And then that pretty much completes the kit. So when I have more done, I'll be back with those. Thanks for watching, guys, and sorry for the interruptions. Bye.